Today I'm doing Hannah's hair and we want to go for a blunt one length bob, and I've just finished doing some really natural highlights on her with a bit of depth underneath. But I also wanted to show you guys how I style her hair. So I normally use the GHD straighteners and just put a very soft bend in the hair. I do this all going the same direction, holding my straightener vertically and letting the hair run through the straightener a bit like a ribbon. When you brush this out, you almost lose all of the wave, but you just get that little kink in the hair, which I think looks really beautiful. I then use a bit of a texture spray to bring out some volume in the hair. This haircut is absolutely fantastic if you want something low maintenance. It will just fall into place straight, but it's also versatile. You can create different waves on it. So if you want this haircut and color, ask for a one length bob with baby lights with depth underneath and then a slight bend in the hair using the straighteners. Let me know what you think.